I'm Jared Larsen, and this is my original train design, the Cherry Express. If we move over here to this wood puzzle, I designed it after this with no instructions. You've got the front parts here, cylinders on the side. There used to be a front light here. The top steam stack there. These different parts. Note the windows, the size of those as well. The coal box, the passenger trains. Then on mine, as you can see, modeled it exactly after it with the small front windows. Steam stack again, I added the light, which is missing on that one. Cylinders, coupler here, coal cart, the two passenger trains here. It's also got the benches inside if you saw those in the other train, the smaller back window, bigger front window. I'll turn it on now. As you can see, these big back wheels aren't actually on the track. They're powered by a rubber band suspension system in there. This whole thing's powered by two motors, which are right there on the back part of the front engine. There's 58 wheels on the whole train, including on the smokestack in front, the wheels on that. I also came up with the design for the track here, a very simple design with the roller coaster tubing, the orange connectors with the little nub on the top, and then just green, blue, and white rods connecting it, and then of course the red crossbars. Just going behind the tree right now. Here. Just want to get a close-up of the exit. Thanks for watching.